Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Recently Viewed section. The Recently Viewed section helps customers quickly revisit products they have recently viewed while browsing your store. By displaying previously viewed items, you can improve product discovery, encourage customers to continue shopping, and make it easier for them to return to products they're interested in. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Recently Viewed section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the Recently Viewed section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Growth Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Recently Viewed section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Recently Viewed, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Recently Viewed section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, and both. You can also customize the empty Recently Viewed text message that appears when no products have been viewed yet. Adjust the heading size to control how prominent your title appears. You can choose from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, or H6. Columns per row. Desktop lets you select your preferred grid layout for larger screens. Columns per row. Mobile lets you choose how many columns appear on smaller screens. Maximum products to show allows you to control how many previously viewed products are displayed, with support for up to 12 products. Image ratio defines the shape or aspect ratio of your product images. You can choose from Inherit, 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, 2:3, and Circle. Crop position determines which part of the image remains visible when cropping occurs. Available options include Inherit, uses the theme's default image positioning: top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. These settings help ensure important parts of your images remain visible. Under Enable Slider, you can choose where the logo slider will be displayed. Both devices' sliders will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable Loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Show Dots enables navigation dots below the slider for easy slide switching. Show Arrows enables left and right arrows for smooth navigation between slides. For styling, select Arrow Color as either Inherit to use your theme's default color, or Custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Use Arrow Position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle. Arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom. Arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. Match the Recently Viewed section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. And that's it. Your Recently Viewed section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.